In our industry, at our work sites and factories, everyone is having to change their behavior to stop the spread of COVID-19. This represents a real challenge for employees and entrepreneurs in the construction industry. New operating methods are necessary, so we agree that action is essential. This is our contribution. You need extremely concrete, operations-oriented actions in the field, and where possible, you need to accelerate the assimilation of simple measures and the application of good practices. This has been our mission for the last 15 years, and we have achieved quick, effective results. It's simple, it's operational, and it works. If you think that this app can help companies make their personnel safer and speed up resumption of their operations, tell people about it.